subscriber.
Please subscribe. Again na.
I wish all the best.
What
for
can
my
you say?
Thank you so much for all the subscribers. To my parents who always supported me from the very beginning, and to you guys. I can't make this one without you. We thank you so much, and we hope that we will grow together and we have more adventures to come. And yeah, may this channel grow and grow and grow.
Palong ginap. Gusto mo. Ginap pa dayon. Ako na lang gibalik ko kunti.
This is a small celebration, guys. We only have a small celebration for this. That's it.
Oh, picture sa
Picture sa